One command, a 3-word code, and your file lands on any computer on Earth. End-to-end encrypted, no cloud, no port forwarding, no size limit. This is Croc, the file transfer tool with 37,000 GitHub stars. And yesterday, it shipped an update that makes it even faster on your local network. Here's how it works, why it survived 8 years, and what just changed. Here's the repo, Schultz/Croc. Easily and securely send things from one computer to another. It's been around since October 2017. It's written in Go, MIT licensed. And it has quietly climbed to 37,647 stars with nearly 1,500 forks. That's 8 years of the terminal crowd refusing to replace it. The README makes a bold claim. As far as the author knows, Croc is the only CLI file transfer tool that checks every box: encryption, resumability, cross-platform, and zero network configuration. And stick around, because the v10.5.0 release from yesterday quietly fixed the one thing power users complained about. I'll break it down at the end. Think about how you actually move files today. You email them to yourself and hit the attachment size cap. You upload to a cloud drive, wait for it to go up, send a link, wait for it to come down, and now a third party has your data. Or you set up SCP and discover the other machine is behind a NATI with no port forwarding. Croc torches all of that. Both sides run one command. A relay negotiates the connection, so firewalls don't matter. The transfer is encrypted end-to-end, so the relay only ever sees ciphertext. And if the connection drops at 90%, you resume. You don't start over. Here's the entire workflow, both sides. On the sender, Croc send, and the file name. Croc compresses, hashes, and prints a code phrase, a number, and 3 random words. Get that phrase to the receiver however you like. Say it out loud, text it, carrier pigeon. On the receiving machine, Croc, and the phrase. You get a prompt showing exactly what's incoming and how big it is, you accept, and the bytes fly, over your LAN at wire speed, or across the internet through the relay. That code phrase isn't just an ID. It seeds a password-authenticated key exchange, which means the actual encryption key never touches the network at all. Plenty of tools do some of this. Croc's pitch is doing all of it at once. End-to-end encryption using PEC. The code phrase proves both sides know the secret without ever sending the key. It works between any two computers, even both behind firewalls, because the relay brokers the handshake. Transfers resume after interruptions instead of restarting. It moves whole folders and multiple files in one shot. It's IPv6 first with IPv4 fallback. It can route through a proxy like Tor if you need it, and the same binary behaves identically on Windows, Linux, and Mac. That combination is why nothing has dethroned it in 8 years. The author lays out the philosophy on his site, infinitedigits.co. 3 principles. Relay beats uploading. A transfer should move point to point, not sit on someone's server. Key exchange beats passwords. The code phrase generates keys on both ends instead of authenticating against a service. And no port forwarding beats port forwarding. Networking config is the reason normal people give up on tools like SCP. Every Croc feature falls out of those 3 calls, and the site walks through each trade-off honestly, including when a plain USB stick is still the right answer. The feature list runs deeper than send and receive. Code phrases are customizable if you want your own instead of the generated one. Transfers can be encrypted with a different curve if you're picky about cryptography. There's built-in compression, folder support, and text sending for quick snippets. Pipe something into Croc, and it arrives on the other side. You can exclude files from a folder send, restrict to local network-only transfers, and if you don't trust the public relay, run your own with a single command, Croc relay, your infrastructure, your rules. The line that sums up the whole project comes straight from the author. Sharing data should be fast, secure, and most of all, easy. His point is that every tool before Croc made you pick 2 out of 3. Fast and easy usually meant unencrypted. Secure and fast usually meant an evening of network configuration. Croc's entire reason to exist is refusing that trade. And after 8 years, that refusal is looking less like idealism and more like the correct engineering call. Croc comes from Zach Schultz on GitHub, a Seattle-based software engineer and scientist with a staggering 151 public repos. He's one of those rare prolific builders. Besides Croc, he makes music hardware, synth firmware, and dozens of oddball tools, all open source. Croc itself is community-funded through GitHub sponsors. The README is blunt that the project's future depends on community support. 8 years of maintenance, a release the day before this video, and it's still 1 person plus contributors. That's open source working the way it's supposed to. The numbers back the longevity story. 37,647 stars, climbing steadily since 2017, no hype spike, just 8 straight years of people finding it, using it, and starring it, nearly 500 forks. Version 10.5.0 shipped yesterday, which tells you the maintenance cadence never slowed down. In a space where file-sharing startups launch and die every year, a single binary CLI tool outlived basically all of them. It's packaged in every major distro repository. It's a staple in sysadmin toolkits, and it keeps showing up in those what's in your terminal threads nearly a decade after it launched. And yes, it runs on your phone. Install termux on Android, pkg, install croc, and your phone becomes a first-class transfer endpoint. Phone to laptop, laptop to phone, no cable, no cloud sync, no photo compression. The project site reads beautifully on mobile too. The whole design philosophy is one scroll. Between Homebrew, Scoop, Wingit, Pacman, DNF, Nix, Docker, Conda, and that one-line curl installer, there is essentially no machine you own that can't run croc in the next 60 seconds. That reach matters more than any single feature. A transfer tool is only useful if it's already on both ends. Now the payoff I promised, the complaint power users had. On a local network, routing through a relay could throttle you below what your LAN can actually do. Yesterday's v10.50 fixes exactly that. Croc now prefers a full-speed local relay for LAN transfers, so machine-to-machine on the same network runs at wire speed. Same release, an exclude file flag for exact file path exclusion when sending folders, smarter get-in-your handling, and cleaner receive prompts. Install takes one line. Curl the install script, or grab it from basically any package manager on the planet. Then send something. You'll never email yourself a file again. The repo and the design write-up are both linked in the description below. If Prism Labs just replaced your cloud drive shuffle with 3 words, subscribe. Trending tools every single week.